We are standing in front of the Church of Gethsemane. And here is where we're shown the human side of Jesus. We are now in the Garden of Gethsemane. Gethsemane is two Hebrew words, and it means Gat Shmanim, olive press. Obviously, we are at the bottom of the Mount of Olives, and at the time of Jesus, there was an olive press here to make olive oil. Jesus arrives here with the 11 disciples. And the next thing that happens is he tells his three closest disciples, Peter, John, and James, please stay up and pray with me. Then he comes on a stone, on a rock, and he prays, appealing to God the Father, please take this cup away from me. Obviously, Jesus is feeling agony. We see his human side because he knows what his fate is about to be. And he does not want that fate. However, he tells God the Father, if you will this fate for me, I concede, I accept. And then when he returns, he sees the three closest disciples, Peter, John, and James, sleeping. And he says, couldn't you have stayed up and prayed with me? Jesus is feeling agony. If I were in his shoes, I am about to be offered as a sacrifice. And all I said to my three closest friends, the three disciples, please stay up and pray with me. And I see that they are not with me at this trying time. And once again, the work of Antonio Barluzzi, who works extensively for the Franciscans. Note that we get a sense of darkness. Barluzzi uses purple alabaster on the windows, perhaps reflecting the heaviness in the soul of Jesus. The next thing that happens is Judas Iscariot arrives with the guards of the Sanhedrin, the Jewish court, and he identifies Jesus by blowing him a kiss, known as Judas' kiss, that has become synonymous in English for betrayal. Jesus will be then taken to the house of the great Cohen Caiaphas. What will happen there? We will soon see.